Hi, today we will deploy and host a application in AWS Amplify. So this application will be a JS application. So let's start. The first step is we will install the Node.js in our system. So just click on this link in the documentation and window installer. First download the file, the setup for Node.js and open it. The next step is we will download and install Git for Windows. So just download for Windows. So we will install the Node.js in our system. Node.js is installing. A Git for Windows is in downloading. So after this download, we also install the Git for Windows, Git bash and Git cmd. Next, command line and bash both. Yeah, Node.js is successfully installed. So the next step is we will create a npx React app in our system. So for this one, we will open the cmd. First, we will check the Node.js version. Yeah, our Node.js is successfully installed. So let's start this, create this application. npx create React app and the directory Amplify app 1. This one will be app 1 will be the directory name in my system. So it will take 5 to 10 minutes. We just wait until it finishes. We can see that it's create a directory, a folder in our user system name, username and our directory name. So app is installing in this folder. So next step is we just wait until it finish. So we will create a repository in our GitHub. So open your GitHub. I just first I will delete my previous repository. So then I will create a new one. Okay. The next step is we will create a repository in our GitHub. So repository name will be the Amplify app 1. Description. This is a test Amplify app. So our repository is successfully created. We can see that. Let's check our application. It's still in installation. So we just wait until it finishes. Yeah, it's almost finished. We can see that it's installing now. Yeah, it's successfully done. So the next step is we will start the app. npm start. We'll just copy the command and run it here. There is some error. Yeah. We need to access the folder directory first. Amplify app 1. Now we will start the app. We can see that our JS app is running successfully. So we will close it. So now we will make some changes in our repository. We will install our application in the GitHub. Open Git bash. We will access the folder cd amplify app 1. Here we will git niche and we will add our repository. So open the GitHub. This is my repository. I will copy and paste it here. My app is successfully added in the repository. Git add. git commit. We will change the commas. With these commas, it will not work. The next is git push region master. Yes. Yeah, we need to give the access. So we will create a key. For this one, just create SSH key gen. This is the directory C user SSH ID. Okay. Enter. SSH key is created. So let's check our key in user in SSH. This is the key. Open with notepad. Copy this key and we will put this key in our GitHub account. Here in the setting, SS key, new SSH key, Amplify app 1. Just copy the key here and add. Our key is added, so now just copy this command again and run it. Yeah, it's pushed to our Git push to the region master. Now open your AWS account, console management, AWS Amplify Console, AWS Amplify, the deploy and host modern web app. Get start with the GitHub, continue. Here we need to authorization, so it's successfully with because our GitHub account is already open. So now here we will select our repository name, branch master. Next, save and deploy, creating application, Amplify app 1 in progress. There is the 5 step, so it will complete. So we will check our app later. We just wait 2 or 3 minutes. We can see provision is done now in the build process. We just wait. It will take a little time. Just refresh the page. Still in the build process. Yeah, Now our application is deployed, so just a little verification automatically, so it will done. Let's just refresh it. Yeah, it's successfully done. Now click on this link and we can see that our JS application is successfully running in our AWS account. Let's go to the next step. We are already done this one. Automatically deploy change. So we will make little bit change in our application. So we can change with this in our system and also in our GitHub account. I will make some changes in our GitHub repository file. So in the GitHub, I will select my repository. In the this folder, the app.js, I will edit it and make some little change as per the documentation. I will make it reload part app 2 here. Same I will change in our GitHub repository. Reload part 2. We can see that now it's our only reload. Reload part 2 and commit change. In our AWS we can say automatically it's go in the deploying mode again. So it will take little time. So after that we will see our application. Again the same process after the provision in the build, then deploy, and after the deploying it will verify. We can see that it's successfully deployed. Now it's just verifying. Refresh the page. Yeah, it's successfully done now. Now we just click on our link and we can see that now our app is changed. Let's go to the next step. Next step is clean up our resources. So first we will delete our application from the account. Here in this application we will go to the action and delete app, type delete and delete. It's deleted. Also in the GitHub repository, go to your repository, click on setting and danger zone, delete this repository and just copy paste your account and repository name. our repository is also deleted now. So that's it.